Today we are going to write 3 address code for loop in C language. So this is the for loop. C is equal to 1, C less than equal to 10, C plus plus, and in this one line is given x is equal to a plus b into c. So how we are going to write it? So first C is equal to 1 we have to assign. So we are writing I minus 1. It is up to you whatever way you want to write. So we are writing C is equal to 1. After that, what is the condition? Condition is C is equal to 1, we have assigned I minus 1. Then condition is C is less than equal to 10. That we have to cross check. So we are writing I plus 0. In any way you can write, no problem. So for this we are writing if C is less than equal to 10, then where it should go to. That we will leave blank. Now, and we will see at the end where we should go. So first condition we have written C is equal to 1, I minus 1, I plus 0. This is the condition, termination condition. If C is less than equal to 10, then go to. Where it should go, we will see here. Then after that we are writing I plus 1, then go to. And this is the condition what if this for loop condition get terminated or it become false. C value will greater than the 10. Then it should terminate and it should go after the loop. So this line is after that loop exactly. So it will go out of the loop. So where it will go, we will see later. Then next line where we should go. If C less than equal to 10, then go to. Because in this for loop, what we supposed to do? We have to execute this line. So for the execution of this line, first we are going to calculate this B into C. So we are taking one variable T1 and we are writing B into C. In the next line, what we are doing, we are calculating rest of the things which is available in this line. B into C is calculated in T1. Then after that, A is left. So we are taking another variable as T2 and we are writing A plus T1. It means A plus B into C because T1 is B into C. So T2 is equal to A plus B into C. So that has been calculated. Now what we will write in the next line, we will assign this entire value to the X because this entire value is calculated in X2. Now we have to assign this value to X. So in next line we are writing X is equal to T2. X is equal to T2 we are writing. Then after that next line, what we supposed to write? See, the first condition C is equal to 1 we have written in one line. Second condition C is less than equal to 10 we have written in second line. If C is less than equal to 10 then go to we will see. And in this for loop, this is one line which we are supposed to calculate. So we have calculated it B into C, A plus B into C, and we have assigned this entire value to X. Then sorry, these two conditions are completed, only this condition is left, that is C plus plus. Now we are going to write this in this line. So we are writing C is equal to C plus 1, the increment by 1. In this, after executing this, we are writing this C is equal to C plus 1. Now next line, what we are going to write? We are going to write after this line where we supposed to go. And next line. So once this line is executed, then C will increment by 1. This line is executed and we have assigned this value to X and C is incrementing by 1. Then again it will go to this line. To cross check the condition that C is less than 10 or not. Right? If condition is true, then only we will execute this line again and we will increment the C value. Otherwise what we will do? We will come out of the loop. So where we will go? We will go to this line. Once we have calculated this and we have incremented the C value, then what we should do? We should cross check the condition of C is less than equal to 10 or not. So where we should go? We should go to this line. So what we are writing? We are writing here I plus 0. So it will go to I plus 0. Again it will check. If C is less than 10, then again it will execute all these three lines I plus 2. So we are able to see if C less than 10, then go to where? I plus 2. Because in this loop, what we supposed to calculate? We have to supposed to calculate this and it is starting from I plus 2. So what we will write here? We will write here I plus 2. So first value C is equal to 1 we have assigned. Then we have write if C is less than equal to 10, then go to where? Then go to where here? Because we need to calculate this. So we are writing I plus 2. Then all the calculation has been done. B into C, A plus B into C. Then after that we have assigned this value to X. Then after that we have to increment by 1. So we have C is equal to C plus 1 and go to where? If all these conditions are true and we have increment C value, then again we have to cross check this condition that this condition is true or not. So we are going I plus 0. And if this condition is true, then again we have to calculate all these values. So again we have to go I plus 2. Like this it will go. And once condition is terminated, once C value is 11, then where it should go? It should go out of the loop. So that is what? I plus 7. So we are writing here I plus 7. If condition is false, then it will go out of the loop. It means I plus 7. If condition is true, then it will start from I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4, I plus 5, I plus 6, and again it will go to I plus 0 to cross check the condition is true or false. If it is false, then I plus 7. If it is true, then again I plus 2. In that way, it will go on, go on, go on. So this is the code, or we can say 3 address code for loop in C language.